Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to disable threads in Discord step by step. If you want to simplify server channels or limit thread creation for members, this tutorial is for you. On your Discord channel dashboard, all we need to do is go to the channel where we want to disable threads. Once we're here, we need to find the text channels where we want to disable threads. Just click the Edit Channel option. When we hover over the text channel, a gear button will appear. Click the gear button and go to Permissions. Once we're in the Permissions section, we need to choose or find the Manage Messages or Manage Threads option. After selecting this, all we have to do is click Disable so that threads will be disabled. This will also close or turn off threads in your Discord channel. With these steps, we can manage Discord server settings and permissions to reduce or disable thread usage. You now know how to disable threads in Discord.